Hi, welcome to my website. Are you ready to go on a reading adventure? All aboard! Next stop, the library. My new program combines storytelling, comedy, lots of audience volunteers, and magic, and is a great way to get children excited about reading. I brought Chestnut with me here today so we can show you some of the things that an engineer does on the railroad. Thank you for visiting my website. To reserve a date, all you need to do is fill out the form below. I look forward to seeing you on one of my next reading adventures.